Hi, this is Lauren Younger at the University of Dallas Cowan Blakely Memorial Library, and this video tutorial will be focused on one of our philosophy databases here at UD called Philosopher's Index. You can access Philosopher's Index at the University of Dallas Library homepage, udallas.edu/library, by scrolling down and selecting Databases, and then finding Philosopher's Index either in the drop-down menu or under the letter P. And you can go ahead and head there now. When you're prompted with an authentication screen, enter your UD network ID and your password. For most students, your UD network ID will be the beginning of your email address before the @ sign. Your password will be your 900 number. After signing in, you'll have access to Philosopher's Index, which includes journal articles as well as books. Philosopher's Index is an EBSCO database, so it may look familiar to you. In Philosopher's Index, you can search by author, title, subject, but also for people as subject. As an example, let's try Aristotle in the people as subject field. And as a subject, let's try Nicomachean Ethics. If my subject is a phrase and I want to indicate that I'd like it searched in the order I typed it in as a phrase rather than as separate words, I can put quotes around my subject. Then hit Search. In my result list, I'll see different types of resources that I have access to. My first source returns something that's not in this database, so I would click on the full text finder link to redirect to the database that does have the content. My third source is something that the University of Dallas does not own, and if I'd like to request it, I can send a request using Topasa Interlibrary Loan, using the same login I used to access this database. My fourth result is something that is in this database and that the University of Dallas has access to, so I can simply download the PDF full text here. The metadata included in the article's citation information can be helpful in finding more articles that are similar. If I click on the title to expand the record, I'll see some hyperlinks listed below the title that link to similar subjects. To find all articles on Nicomachean Ethics, I could click here and be redirected to a new search only on Nicomachean Ethics, which will change my result pool a little bit. On the left-hand side, I can narrow down my result pool by limiting the type of source, the subject, the publication, the language, and the date. For an example of how to cite the article, I can click on the title, and then over on the toolbar on the right-hand side, click on the word Cite. By scrolling down the alphabetical list of citation styles, I'll find Chicago, the style usually used at the University of Dallas for philosophy classes. This was a quick introduction into using the database Philosopher's Index at the University of Dallas Library. If you have any questions about Philosopher's Index or would like more help, you can contact the reference desk at the library. We're available by phone at 972-721-5315, by email at reference@udallas.edu, or by texting 972-325-5336, or just stop by the library. No appointment is needed.